Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your roof antenna on a 2014 Honda Pilot. To start off, open up your liftgate and we're going to have to remove this rear trim piece in order to get behind the headliner. And so we're going to take a small screwdriver, a small flathead, and there's two little notches on this lens, and you want to pry out on one side and then pry out on the other, and it'll pop this lens right off. And then there is two bolts, and you can use a 8mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver to take out these bolts. And then take both hands and get up underneath this seal, and we're going to pull down on this plastic trim piece. And same with the other side also. And then in here there's a wire to unplug, and we're just going to push down on this tab on the edge to get it off, and then just set this to the side. Next, we need to remove these two clips holding the headliner up, and using a clip tool or a flathead screwdriver, we just need to pry down on them and pop them out. And then reach your hands in behind the headliner, and we're going to push down on this cover right here and pop it out. And when you go to put this back in, just make sure that you line those clips up with the holes that are on that metal brace. And then you want to pull down on the headliner and create a gap for your hand to get in behind here. You don't want to pull too hard because it is being held in still by the trim here. Because you pull too hard, you'll create wrinkles. But just pull just enough to get your hand in behind here. And we're going to start out by unplugging it. And you can see the clip right there, the wire heading to the antenna. There's a tab on the top side of that, and it's going to be hard to film, but I'll show you once I get it unplugged. So I'm taking my index finger and I'm coming around to the top, and I'm pushing in on the tab and then pull out. So the tab is right here on the top, so I just pushed that in and then pulled it out. And now the antenna is unplugged, and we need to get a 17mm socket and a ratchet and turn it counterclockwise and loosen it up. And then once you get it loose, you can just turn it by hand and take the nut off. And then come around to the top side of the car and just pull out on the antenna and feed the wire through the hole. And that's it. Antenna's out. Thanks for watching.